Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, hey, quick little tactical Wednesday tip for you. I just listened to a really cool podcast that made me think about what momentum, right? So we've all been there where we are in momentum, and we've all been there where we're out of momentum, right? And I think that it's actually a lot easier to get back into momentum than it is to stay in momentum. And I think the reason for that is when we are out of momentum, we are very aware that we're out of momentum. And because we've probably been in momentum before, we know the steps it's going to take to get there, right? Like if we're talking about health and fitness, which we are, then it's really easy to identify the things we need to do to get back in momentum. We need to eat better. We need to drink more water. We need to get more sleep. We need to exercise. We need to track our calories. Those are how we get back in momentum when it comes to health and fitness. But when we're already in momentum, it's very easy to fall out of it. And I think it's actually harder to identify when we've fallen out, because I think if you guys are anything like me, you just all of a sudden realize you're off. You're not on your game. You're out of momentum. So the thing is to identify how to stay in momentum, right? Because that's the key. The key is that we got to stay in momentum. Like otherwise, we get stuck in that yo-yoing loop. So how do we stay in momentum? And this is the crux of the whole point here, is that you have to keep doing the small things that got you back into momentum in the first place. You have to be obsessive about your sleep, obsessive about your hydration, be obsessive about your exercise and your nutrition. Obsessive in a way that like it is forefront, it is in the top of your mind. You're not just like getting momentum, hitting your stride, and then taking your foot off the gas. Stop paying attention to the small details. Want to try something new, like okay, well I've gotten great results doing bodybuilding or CrossFit. Let me go ahead and just try kickboxing, or let me try a different diet. It's like you're taking your eye off the thing that got you in momentum to the first place, and the next thing you know, you're out of momentum, right? Or it's just not paying attention to the details. And so, all this to say, guys, I'm gonna keep this video super super short. Never stop doing the small things that got you in momentum to begin with, right? So think about it. When you're out of momentum, you go, oh shit, okay, I gotta get to bed earlier. I gotta drink more water. I gotta drink more water. I gotta start exercising. I gotta start watching what I eat. Those are the little things that you obsess over in the beginning when you realize you're out of momentum to get yourself back into it. So to stay in momentum is harder, because as soon as you're hitting a stride, you want to let off the gas, but that's when you have to pay attention and just recommitting to the little things that got you there. When you sleep, how much water you drink, count your calories, exercise, and just keep hitting that every day. And that's how the greats stay great. That's how Michael Jordan was Michael Jordan. That's how Serena Williams is Serena Williams. She's not thinking high in the sky. She's practicing the position of her wrist on a forward swing. Those are the little details that got her to that point that she drills every day, and that's how you guys got to stay in momentum with your health and fitness as well. So there you guys go. I just want to drop that quick one because I just heard it on a podcast and it made a lot of sense, and I thought it would be valuable to you guys to stay active, pay attention to the small stuff. Don't be afraid to hit me up if you need some help, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the big presentation on the 3 critical diet mistakes that you're probably making. Looking forward to dropping that value to you guys, and I'll see you then. Peace out.